Hey there everyone and welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in this quick tutorial guys, I'll show you how to set up your very own Monzo account in the UK guys. So let's dive right in step by step. So first things first, download the Monzo app from the App Store or Google Play Store. It's free and it's easy to find guys. Once installed guys, I want you to open the app and tap on Get Started. And next, I want you to enter your email address, okay? Make sure it's the one you use regularly, as Monzo will send you a confirmation link. Open your email and find the Monzo email, and then just click on the link to verify your email address. After that, guys, what's going to happen is you will need to provide some personal information, including your full name, your date of birth, and your current UK address. So Monzo basically uses this information to verify your identity and ensure that you're actually eligible to open an account. Next, guys, what's going to happen is Monzo will ask you to upload a photo ID, okay, such as a passport or a driver's license. You just want to follow the instructions to take clear photos of your ID, and additionally, you will need to record a short video of yourself, saying a specific phrase for verification. And once that's done, guys, you just want to wait for Monzo to review your application. This usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours. You'll receive a notification once your account is approved. And finally, guys, what you want to be doing is you want to choose whether you want a physical debit card or just a digital account. Okay, so if you opt for a card, Monzo will mail it to your address within a few days, and you're now basically ready to use your Monzo account for everyday banking, guys. So if you found this video helpful, guys, consider smashing that like button and subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified of the next video. And until next time, guys, I'll see you in the next one.